Howdy, folks. What's up, dudes? So the fine people at Doyle Fab, DF Kit Card, that make the Goblin kit, are putting on a holiday contest. So we created this roof for the Goblin. Then we're gonna get some Christmas trees, load them up here, load it up with Christmas lights. Be real festive. To install the roof. The lights are done. Now we gotta go get a tree. Put it up here. Nice, big, fluffy unit. Big old, fat tree. Load it up with lights. So let's go. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah. It's a fluffy tree, okay? At least it doesn't poke you. Yeah. That's a big plus. Oh, it's over here. Someone put the tauntauns out. Is that a camel?
Not a camel.
I shit you not, there's a camel standing right there. That's a damn camel! What in the hell? We're not in the desert? This is friggin' Wisconsin. What are we doing here? Gotta get rid of reefings. Oh, broke it. Tremendous amounts of sap.
Maybe.
Yep, that ain't going anywhere. Now we gotta put lights on the tree. But the tree's backwards for the picture. We have to turn it around. holidays. And now for a magic trick. We're gonna put these on the tree. And it's done. Oh, beautiful. It's currently about 17 degrees outside. So let's back it on out and get our pictures. Beautiful. Got it. Chainsaw stuck. Hit me with a picture quick.
Alright.
I'll just get on here like this.
Is it still on? Do you want to do one sitting on a wheel?
Yeah. Well, that's going to do it for the holiday decorating contest. Hopefully we win. We'll know soon. Subscribe for future shenanigans. Happy holidays, you filthy animals.